greetings. Happy New Year. So first of all, I want to thank you for being in this page. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And if you're like me and many other people and you're excited for a new change, this 2017, nasa tamang lugar ka, kaibigan, kapatid, kabayan, o, diba? So, anyway, I'm Luella Grajeda. Yes, I'm an OFW in this beautiful country, the London, UK, tama? So, no matter how beautiful a place is, tama, yung puso natin nasa Pilipinas, tama po ba? Tama? So, anyway, gusto ko lang po itanong sa inyo, sino po sa inyo, minsan, alam nyo na you deserve a better financial status in your life? Yeah! Sino po sa inyo na-feel nyo na, alam mo, given a right opportunity and given a right business, you will really progress. Tama? So, alam nyo po, I believe that too for myself a few years back. Yes? And as an OFW, alam nyo, wala akong choice. Kahit na po college graduate ako, I had to start at the bottom. Kahit anong trabaho, I had to do it. Tama? From carer, cleaner, taga-alaga, kahit na wala akong experience and all, di ba? So, alam nyo po, it's not about being choosy, tama? It's about being madiskarte. Nowadays, it's about that, tama po ba? And naniniwala po ako, mga Pilipino magaling doon. Pero, sometimes, how do we know when enough is enough? Yes, is that a big question? Yes! Guys, it happened to me. For 1 year pa lang po ako dito sa abroad. Second year ko pa lang, I was already feeling it. Because sometimes, we work and work and work. Pero ilan po bang trabaho, overtime, dagdag income, yung gagawin at gagawin natin para ma-realize na yung kulang is kulang po talaga. Does that make sense? Yes? And minsan, yung inuulit-ulit natin na sagot, na dagdagan mo pa yung oras, maybe that's not the answer. Tama po ba? And you know what I mean. Of course, we all know. It's always in the business. Yes? I don't even need to explain it. Pero alam niyo po, if you're feeling that maybe you want to enter this area but you don't know how, dahil wala kang experience, tama? Or you don't have any technical knowledge and skills about this, do not worry. I came from those background as well. Tama po ba? As I mentioned, I'm a nurse graduate from the Philippines. Tama? Actually, from Baguio nga ako eh. Pero, nung pagdating ko dito, iba yung work. Tama? Eh, nung pumasok pa ako sa negosyo. Tama po ba? Because, it doesn't matter what your status is. Tama? Ilan na po bang rags to riches ang narinig natin? Ilan na po ba ang mga hindi nakapag-aral or walang business background, yung narinig natin naging successful? If they happen to them, I'm sure it will happen to us. It will happen to you. Tama po ba? That's my belief. But that is if you also believe that. So anyway, alam niyo po, hindi ko po explain dito yung buong business. You can just check the other videos. There are several videos on this page. And I believe it's more than enough for the information that you need. But of course, I'm looking forward to meet you and to congratulate you, tama? So, thank you very much again and welcome and congratulations.